Let's replace next this fuel filter. I have here new one. I did make sure that this is same kind, because sometimes they sell wrong kind of parts when you go and buy something from spare part shop, but this seems to be right. So let's remove this old one and let's install this new one on. Oikeastaan aukesi. Onneksi. Let's create also these sealings from a fuel filter with diesel fuel like this before we install it, so the new sealings won't damage when we tighten the filter on its place. Here in the ground of the fuel filter we have this kind of screw, which is for taking air off from here. I did remove the screw. There is also this kind of cutting in the screw that it's not. You don't have to take it away all the screw, but I take it away. And here we have a pump, hand pump, which we can use to pump fuel into the filter. And let's pump with this hand pump until only fuel is coming out from this opening. We have this kind of screw. I did take it away. This screw is for letting air come out of the filter. And here in the next to the diesel pump, here we have hand pump, which we can use to pump fuel into the filter. So let's pump with this pump until only fuel is coming out from this hole. Let's hope that this pump is functioning. Näyttää toimiva. Now it seems that there is no air anymore. Let's put the screw back. Okay, now we have new fuel filter installed. Let's pump still a few times. And then we can start the motor. Yritettä ainakin. Maintenance is done for this tractor. Fuel filter is changed, replaced, and oil filter is replaced, and motor oils are replaced. So now we can wait for winter with a safe mind. I think we won't have any problems when freezing weather come. Let's put this tractor in storage and take another tractor, and I will replace the same things also for that tractor. But thank you for your company in this video, and see you in next video. Bye bye.